In sextant, you have a graduated arc and a rotating micrometer drum. Graduated arc indicates degrees and micrometer drum indicates minutes and most importantly decimals of minutes. And in the center console, you read the degrees. Let us see in close-up. The graduated arc degree markings are for every 1 degree. The left of the micrometer drum reads minutes and each mark is for 1 minute. The right side are for the decimal of minutes. There are 6 lines, 5 division and each division is 0.2 minute. So a total of 1 whole minute. Let's look closely on the micrometer drum. The first mark is 0 mark and this also indicates the minute reading on the left side. Here you see it is perfectly aligned with 38. That means 38 minute. As 0 mark is perfectly aligned with minute mark, there will not be any decimal of minutes. The second line, first mark or the first division mark is 0.2 minute. Second division mark is 0.4 minute and so on. And the fifth division mark is a whole minute. You got it? Let's read some examples. In this example, the degree marker is after 15 and before 16. The 0 mark is perfectly aligned with 38 minute. So the sextant angle reading is 15 degrees and 38 minute. But what happens if none of the decimal marker align with any of the minute markers? In this example, it seems like 33 degrees, but look closely at the micrometer drum. The 0 mark of the decimal marker is not quite aligned on the 60 or 0 of the minute mark. It is after 59 minute and then some, right? Now you see this fourth division mark is the only closest line with minute marking. So the decimal should be 0.8 minute. So the sextant reading should be 32 degrees 59.8 minute. Now I have some angle reading exercise for you. You have 10 seconds to read the angle. Answers will be in the description below. Let me know how many you got correct. Here you go. And here is the second exercise and your time starts now. I hope by now you are well versed in reading the sextant angle. Have a safe journey.